Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be walking you through how you can get clients on Facebook, how you can get potential buyer to pay you or to hire you for your service on Facebook. So there are some things you need to have if you want to if you probably want to sell on Facebook, if you want to reach out to your buyer. The first thing is you need to have a professional account. You need to set up a standard account. Maybe as a professional, the details you put there to show that you are an expert in a particular field. Then today I'm focusing on e-commerce. We are targeting e-commerce. You know, when we talk about e-commerce, someone is into buying and selling. So I will be focusing on two platforms, which is Shopify and Etsy. So now to proceed, if you want to scout, the first thing you need, I tell you about having a professional account, is to make posts relating to e-commerce and success stories of your previous clients. Remember, two things you have to know is know your targeted audience. What do my people want and which country will I be reaching out to? So after you know this, the third thing you need to know is what do you want to offer them? Do they really need the service you want to offer them? Then after you know these three things, I will be teaching you step by step and go to practicalize it, how you can reach out to buyers targeting the country and everything. So just handle
looking out for e-commerce buyer, making use of this how you can do it. Firstly, you have to go to your Facebook app. So this after getting to Facebook, then you go to this search option. So you search for Shopify dropshipping USA, or you can go to Shopify.co.uk or any kind of niche you want under Shopify. You can even search for Shopify jewelries. So after searching for it, what is the next thing for you to do is you can come here. You can scout them too. The first one is reaching out to the members of the group. So you can click on this active today. Click on the members. You can see we have a lot of members, and click on see all. So these are members. So how do you now reach out to all these members? It's very simple. Assuming you want to scout for this buyer now, click on it and you fill their profile to see if this person is fully into e-commerce. So as you can see, this person is not fully an e-commerce store owner, so we can't scout this person. Then let's go to another person. Let's check this one also. I don't think this one also is into e-commerce. Then let's click on back. Yeah, so let's fill this one.